Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. In this short video, I'm going to talk about a phenomenal supplement that's a great detoxifier for the whole body. It's activated charcoal. Now, I'm not promoting any brands in particular. This brand is from the Vitamin Shop. I like shopping there. But when people ask me what brands do I recommend, I always come back and say, do your best homework. You always want to find the best quality product of anything to put in your body. So activated charcoal, what is activated charcoal? Activated charcoal is a potent natural treatment to trap toxins and chemicals in the body so the body doesn't reabsorb them. Now how this works, activated charcoal, it adsorbs toxins. Activated charcoal has many pores and it's full of negatively charged ions that work like a magnet that attracts positive ions. So with that, heavy metals and certain toxins and bind to the outside of the activated charcoal to be excreted. Okay, so you have a negatively charged ion on the activated charcoal, which binds to a positively charged ion as the pathogen, bacteria, heavy metal, bad chemicals, so forth and so on. Again, they act like a magnet to be excreted, and that's called adsorption. So there's many benefits. I just listed four of my best benefits that I recommend to my patients in no particular order. One, it cleanses your body of mold. Now, when I'm dealing with patients who complain of headaches, digestive problems, memory, sleeping problems, one of the questions I always want to know is, how old is your house? If your house is built in the 1920s and the 1930s, 40s, and 50s, definitely you want to get a mold content of the house, okay? Because you want to test your house for mold. Because with the buildup of mold, it's toxic to our system. So toxic mold causes depression, kidney and liver failure, decreased brain function, heart disease, and even headaches, just to name about a handful. But there's many more. So mold has a positive charge, activated charcoal has a negative charge, they bind together to be excreted. Now my recommendation is 3 pills 3 times a day, so you're taking a total of 9. Now with activated charcoal, the number one side effect of activated charcoal, it dries up the water in the large intestines, so you want to increase your water intake. Next is a general detoxification. Now I recommend this if you want to do a weekend detoxification. You don't want to do this during the weekday, you want to do this on the weekend. The goal is to remove toxins like heavy metals, mercury, lead exposure, anything else like from the water, from the toxins from the environment, because the goal is to promote a healthy digestive tract. If you have a healthy digestive tract, you're going to decrease joint pain, you're going to increase energy and mental focus. Now again, you're going to do this on the weekends. So you want to promote very, very healthy eating. Organic fruits and vegetables only. Grass-fed meats and white fish. Okay? Everything has to be organic, has to be clean. And the dosage is 10 grams of activated charcoal 90 minutes prior to each meal, only for 2 days. Now, again, the side effect of activated charcoal is constipation. So I highly recommend you want to drink at least your body weight in water. Now, again, if you're 180 pounds, you want to take in 180 ounces of water. 138 ounces is a gallon. Now, I always recommend on a day-by-day, you want to take in half of your body weight in water anyway. So again, if you're that 180-pound individual, I always recommend you want to take in at least 90 ounces of water. Every time you urinate, besides first thing in the morning after vegetables, certain vegetables and breakfast, and sometimes certain vitamins, the urine should be clear. If the urine is colorful and acidic, you're dehydrated. So increase your water intake. Next, alcohol poisoning. Now, again, this is alcohol poisoning if you had a little bit too much to drink, and or if you're that day-by-day social drinker. I always recommend activated charcoal, because what it does, it binds to the toxins from the alcohol to be removed from the body. Now, some research has proven that if you do take activated charcoal at the same time with the drink, it actually decreases the blood alcohol content in your blood. So just kind of an FYI. Also, I always recommend to my patients, if you're going out to a dinner and you're having foods that you're not used to having, you want to take activated charcoal about 90 minutes prior to the meal and after, and also when you go to bed. Because what that's going to do, that's going to bind to the toxins to help you remove from the body, and it will prevent the hangover the next day. Okay, so again, last, Whitens teeth. Now this is if you have all your natural teeth. If you have veneers, a veneer is a covering. Okay, and you cannot whiten a veneer. This is if you have all your natural teeth. It helps whiten teeth. It helps changes the pH balance in the mouth. Helps prevent cavities, bad breath, gum disease. What it does, it adsorbs the plaque buildup. Now how you do this, I always recommend you want to pop open a couple capsules, or if you have the activated charcoal in powder form, dip your toothbrush in there, okay, and you want, for best results, two to three times per week. All right, so activated charcoal, phenomenal supplement. I always recommend it. One caveat, you want to increase your water intake to prevent any type of constipation from happening. It's a phenomenal detoxifier for, again, for the weekend general detoxification, or again, for everyday detoxification. Okay, so I highly recommend it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Hello, this is Dr. Jawad. Please subscribe to my channel for more up-to-date videos, and thanks for watching.